If you're replacing the blinker housing for your motorcycle, this is a Honda Rebel 250 from 85. But if you're replacing the housing for the blinker on your motorcycle and before you put it in, whatever was there before was blinking fine, and then afterwards it's just staying on or not blinking at all or something like that. For my bike, it's staying on. I don't know what yours might be doing, but a problem that it could be, and probably is, if that's what happened, is that your bulb that's inside the new blinker is the wrong size. So when you buy these blinker housings, they're like 15 bucks for 2 of them on eBay as of August of 2022. And they come with the bulb inside. They come with that, orange thing on the outside and all that. And this is the last one I had bought. It was also aftermarket because these things get knocked by everything, and Honda Rebels are basically training motorcycles in some respects. So anytime I have a friend that wants to ride, this is the one I'll start them out on. So a couple people laid it down and broke this. So it was just duct taped together and dangling, and it was blinking fine. Then when I replaced it with this, it was just staying on and stopped blinking fine. So the problem is that the bulb that was inside the old one was a regular size bulb, the right size bulb, and the bulb in here was way too small. I don't know what the wattage and stuff like that was, so it might have even been higher, but I basically just had to kind of take the bulb that came with this out and then put the old bulb and kind of retrofit it and tape it in there so that it works. So I'll show you just that it blinks real quick. Just give you a feel for kind of. So anyway, if you're having that kind of problem, hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you like this video, do it. So, see ya.